Network security from hardware devices. Repeater is a device which will receive a signal on one frequency and simultaneously transmit it on another frequency. Repeaters operate at the OSI Layer-1 physical layer. Amplifier is used for increases the amplitude or strength of the signal, if the previously transmit signal is found weak. Amplifiers operate at the OSI Layer-1 physical layer. Hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches, for example, the connector in star topology which connects different stations. Hub operate at the OSI Layer-1 physical layer. Modems are converting analog signals into digital. Modem operate at the OSI Layer-2 data link layer. Router is hardware device designed to receive, analyze, and move incoming packets to another network. Router operate at the OSI Layer-3 network layer. Switch is networking hardware that connects devices on a computer network by using packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. Switches typically operate at Layer 2 of the OSI model, but many switches can operate at both Layer 2 and Layer 3. Access point is a wireless network device that acts as a portal for devices to connect to a local area network. Access points are used for extending the wireless coverage of an existing network and for increasing the number of users that can connect to it.